Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend. Welcome everyone. Delicious Delight YouTube channel. One of the best cooking around here. Delicious Delight. Come and have a bite. Subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Delicious Delight.
I will show you how to make this delicious grilled corn. Here are my ingredients, guys. Thank you so much for coming back here. And if it's your first time here, please do remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss out on any of my uploads. Thank you so much. So what I'll do, guys, I will use the skewer to punch hole through the core of the corn. Okay? So make sure you hold the skewer firmly and push it through the center of the core. While you're pushing the skewer, turn the corn like this, because sometimes the core is so hard, so you have to do it by force. And here we have a hole. This bowl to mix my mixture for the corn. So here I'm pouring the coconut milk into my bowl. Now I'll add the paprika, parsley, spring onions chopped, here is the thyme, and I'm going to take off the little leaves from the branch because I don't need the branch in it. Okay, so when you're making this, try to get off as much as you can. I will now transfer the corn into this bowl. Then I'm going to pour the mixture on the corn, just like this. And the corn is going to soak up this coconut milk. This is going to be some delicious grilled corn, guys. Cover the corn with plastic wrap, just like this, so that the coconut milk can soak through the corn, get into the core. Yes, guys. Then I'm gonna give it a little shake, just like this. Shake it up, shake it up. Yes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grease my grill. I'm gonna go ahead now and put the corn on the grill. This is going to be some delicious corn, guys, grilled corn, because the corn soaks up the coconut milk. So while the corn is cooking, it is just going to release all of that coconut flavor. All of that flavor going to be bursting up in this corn, guys. Look at the corns already. Wow, the color is beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wet the corn with some of the coconut milk. Yummy, delicious. Thank you guys so much for your support. And this is a great idea for the summer. Try the recipe out, man. Try out the recipe, guys. Nice golden grill, flavorful, mouth-watering corn grilling on my stove top. Yes. It smells so good. The flavor bursting up in these corn, guys. I wish you could taste it. Up in this kitchen is lovely. Look how beautiful these corns are looking. So tasty and delicious. Look at this corn. Look at this, guys. Yummy. It smells so good. I can't wait to bite. I can't wait to bite. Oh my guys, look at this delicious corn. Wow. Delicious. Now I have 1 lime, but I'm only going to use half. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to squeeze a little lime juice over my corn because this is going to kick up the flavor. Here is the corn. Look, guys, all ready, all finished. Look, guys. Oh my, so yummy. Smells so good. The flavors are right. Everything is right. Now I'm adding my feta cheese. And I have some melted butter. So you can also put some melted butter on your corn. Or you can also enjoy your grilled corn with coconut. Coconut and corn taste very good. Yeah, so if you're a coconut lover, you can eat your grilled corn with coconut. Now look at what we have here. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this lovely? Wow. These grilled corn looking so delicious, guys. Mouth watering. Wow. Thank you guys so much. Please remember to like the video. Share the video out, guys. Thank you so much and drop some comments down below. Take care of yourselves, and I'm gonna see you again in another video. Bye.